Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Samsung super fast charging 45 watt travel adapter, USB Type-C to Type-C cable included inside. It is about 1 meter. Recently I have purchased the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. New year, new smartphone from Samsung. But as we know everyone, no power adapter was included inside. That's why I have decided why not just buy the super fast charging, not the regular charging 25 watt, and we will see how long it will take to charge my Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition with a 4500 mAh battery. By the way, if you want to check the video, you can see down below to the description or right in the corner in the end of this video. The phone, it is amazing. I am so excited that I've got this phone and it is so fast. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and charge my S21 Fi. Okay, we'll get some instructions. Samsung. Ooh, it is quite heavy. Wow. Yep, of course it is a 45 watt super fast charging. It says here, super fast charging. Type-C connection, Euro connection, and we've got the regular things for output, input. You can check right in the corner all that. And of course there is the cable. Whoa, I like the cable. Oh, the thickness of the cable, it's so good. Oh, let me bring the Type-C was included with the S21 smartphone and make a comparison. And there's the cable included with a smartphone, and you can see the thickness. Totally, it is like you have two cables of that double thickness. Wow, amazing. I like it. It is quite durable. The length, it is the same. As I said, it is 1 meter as the length of the cable included with a smartphone. Type-C connection. Doesn't matter which side you will decide to connect. It is a Type-C. I like that. Forget the micro USB or the Type-A. Wow, it's quite heavy. Well, let's see how much is the weight. $106 grams, and compare it with a 25 watt from my S20 Fan Edition. Whoa! It is near triple the weight of this adapter. Wow. Yeah. Great. Oh, so that I like the old shape, how it looks. Well, let's bring my S21 Fi and start charging from 0% to 100% and see how long it will take. Okay, there is a phone. Okay, let's plug it in. And from 0%, start charging. Super fast charging, 2%, 1 hour and 70 minutes until fully charged. Now, if I'm going to use the regular charger 25 watt, it will take about 1 hour and 47 minutes, 48 minutes. That means with a super fast charging, you can charge your smartphone 30 minutes faster than the 25 watt fast charger. Well, let's see how long it will take. Now, in 20 minutes, you will get a 36% of battery charge, and it says another 55 minutes until fully charged. We will see that. super fast charging. Now let's go at the battery settings. And we can see we've got fast charging, fast wireless charging. And in 30 minutes of charging, you will get a 52% of battery. Let's see the smartphone. No, it's not too hot. Normal condition. Same as the charger. Well, we need another 47 minutes until fully charged. Well, we will say that. And in 1 hour and 30 seconds, we are 93%. Another 80 minutes until full. Well, let's find out. One hour, 14 minutes and 55 seconds it takes to fully charge my Galaxy S21 FE. Great time, you will enjoy definitely this super fast charger. Compare it with the 25 watt, it takes 30 minutes less to charge my phone. The 25 watt, it needs about 1 hour and 47 minutes. And for the 45 watt that it has this charger, I was expecting to be very hot, but I can say the temperature is very acceptable, same, and the phone is not getting too hot. It is quite cool, I can say. The cable, it is the 5 amps, that's why the thickness it is so large. Compare it with the cable included at the box with a smartphone. This cable, it is 3 amp and this is 5 amp as I said. And of course you can charge and other devices from Samsung. Super fast charging. This is the S20 FE, again the older model. Nice, I like it. Well guys, definitely you will enjoy it. It costs about 23 to 30 euros. It depends the store where you can find it. I purchased this about 29 euros. I think the price was very good. Well, I will use it. That was my first time that I charged my smartphone with this super fast charger. I will try it, I will see how it goes, see if there is any problem with the battery, but I don't think so. It is very safe to charge your smartphone. You can buy it to charge other devices, let's say the S20 or S21 flagship. Definitely you will enjoy a fast charging. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.